pass this around. This is actually a Raspberry Pi, which is running this, which is obviously not a production level kind of thing, but if some of you guys have worked with that in the past, it's very accessible, easy to use. I think even now it's like about $5 a piece, so it's just great. So you can kind of pass this. So this is what's inside this. So we just set up a very kind of basic, and we'll give you a little overview. So you can pass it around. So there's a couple of things that this guy has. First thing is you can kind of see it. It was made entirely in a makerspace. So that was one of the requirements. Is we don't want to have to send the stuff off to get the parts made. It's actually a lot of laser cutting using existing materials. An interesting thing about 3D printing, if you guys are doing 3D printing programs, it's great for prototyping and figuring out, is this going to work? How's it going to look? That kind of thing. It's actually fairly expensive. So we can't 3D print these heads inexpensively enough to prototype because it's a lot of solid material. It's a lot of material actually goes into that. So there's a lot of things we're learning, especially as they're like trying to make use of STEM programs and making spaces like this. What can you actually do? What can't you do? Where is their commercial kind of viability? And what this is actually, so there's 24 of them sold. A portion of the profits goes back to the kids that worked on it. Our idea is, this is an entrepreneur and engineer. I can't innovate in a vacuum anymore. I gotta like get in with the community.